So this is the pound dollar analysis for Monday 13th of November. Now, let's have a quick look what happened with prices on the 10th. So we had prices coming in just down here. We pulled back a little bit from this 200 400 premium average, which actually has resistance over here, as can be seen by the subsequent sell-offs in the market. So we did come up to the 200 premium average. Did appear to be turning around a bit due to the size of the candles which followed the initial spike up just there. The candles being quite small, I did expect a bull flag continuation pattern to the upside. Now what we did see was this very strong, well, what appeared to be a strong bearish candle just here. Now, in light of this being the area we're likely to buy from and around the support of 1393, and we traced a lot deeper than I would like, especially on one candle. But what we did see was some buying momentum come into the market immediately, and price to drive all the way back up. Well, up to highs in comparison to the most recent trend. So we broke out above the 200 400 period moving average and these most recent highs. Now, we did actually turn around at the open of these news related candles. So we've got this news related candle just there. That was the interest rate decision by the Bank of England and subsequent press conference. Now, let's just move half out. Now we did have prices come all the way up to, where is the actual open of the candle? There we are, in around 32.23. 32.23. So we've got 32.23 in around where the candle opened, the news related candle, and we have come up to that level again. And we have seen some solid momentum coming to the market, take us below the 200 400 period moving average. And what's happened so far is we've in fact gapped down, and we've broken below the low of the first hourly candle on the gap. So we do look poised to head towards that 30.93. Let's have a look at the levels below as well. So, okay. So if we don't hold a 30.93, we'll be looking at 30.27 around there, and below that the 130 and 129.83. Now if we do turn around from where we I think I scaled on here correct. If we do see a turnaround from this 30.93, so we did come down 30.93. Could see potential buy side momentum again. We'll probably be targeting these swing highs in around 32.20, as it was the open of the interest rate decision candle. So if we do get up there, we're looking to see how prices react. If we do break above, we'll be targeting that 32.81, beyond that 33.04, and beyond that 133.50 to the upside. I've mentioned downside targets as well, so we're just going to have a look at the daily and other time frames. So let's just get scaling. So on this daily chart, we can see that we're in a bit of a range at the moment. The market does appear to be waiting for a catalyst. So it's likely the interest rate decision by the Federal Reserve, which is due out in December, and a few other high impact news events that are likely to affect US and the UK policy going forward. But overall, we're trading within a trade. Well, we're trading within a bit of a range until we get a catalyst to break out the range, either to the upside or to the downside. So we're just going to have a look at the weekly chart. So here on this weekly chart, we can see that we are still in quite a that's a bit loud, isn't it? We're still in quite a it's difficult to define it. It's an uptrend, but it's not a very strong one. So we're still in a slight uptrend, despite all the negative bearish candles that we have formed since getting all 657. Let's gonna have a look at the bear with me a second. So we're just gonna have a look at the monthly chart. We can see we do look poised for a bit of a turnaround or a deeper retracement. Deeper retracements on the pound against the dollar here on the monthly chart. But all the levels that we are looking at have already been identified. So overall structure, the overall structure does appear. Well, let's just get this correct. The overall structure. Let's grab the pen. The overall structure does appear bullish, but we have pulled back quite a bit from the 36.57. So yeah, it's we'll see how prices react to the horizontal levels identified on the hourly chart. This one is slightly difficult, but I think the approach might be to be let's just get this right. So the approach might be to be cautious when taking bearish signals, but again, be a bit more, possibly more aggressive on long pound against the dollar, despite the fact that an interest rate decision is due on the US dollar. So that should wrap up the US dollar Japanese, well, sorry, the US dollar, no, wrong currency, the pound against the US dollar. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.